This is the Ego chainsaw. It's the 18-inch blade and 56 volt. Here are some of the features of it. This is where you put the oil. The Ego oil goes in here pretty cut and dry. Lubricates the chain here, which is on. This is the light I turned on for you, so you can cut in the dark. As you can see, it's light out now, but it gets pretty bright at night. So if you're cutting trees or logs or branches at night, it comes in very helpful. And this is the button to turn it on and off. This one right here, this is safety mode forward. That means you can't start it, there's no accidents. And you put it back this way and it is ready to go on the run mode. That's where the battery goes. And this is the back end of it. Now I'm going to show you how this works real quick. I'm going to turn it on and show you the power. These are all the branches I cut with it. You can see the thickness of them, because you're probably wondering if you're deciding to buy one of these on your own, what it can cut through, how powerful it is. It's a pretty good chainsaw. It's pretty powerful. These are all the thickness of a big tree fell down, and these were all the branches I had to cut up using the Ego chainsaw. But you can see the thickness of them. It's not going to get through massive trees, obviously, like something like that, but it's going to get through pretty good size. It'll take out big branches and it'll get through small trees, no problem. If you're getting something like bigger, like a medium tree, it should still get through. It's just going to take you a lot longer, but it's got a lot of power. So as you can see here, the thickness of these were no problem. Got right through it. So did all these. Now I'm going to turn on the chainsaw and show you how fast it goes. And this is sitting on wood right now, so let's take it off the wood. So this is an awesome chainsaw. I've had this for like 1 year and like 2 months now, and I've used it quite a bit. It was a very good buy, so I definitely recommend it. 2 thumbs up. If you want to pick this up for yourself, the current best deal will be below in the video description box. But yeah, real happy with this. This is one of my favorite Ego products, along with the blower, which I'll do a review on shortly. But those are my 2 favorites so far. I own the blower, the weed whacker, and the chainsaw. The weed whacker is my least favorite of the 3 because it's a little heavier, but this is definitely, this one and the blower are 5 stars. So check it out below. Awesome product. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.